Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do bantu knots on yourself. And yeah, I did stretch my hair a little bit, not with I didn't blow dry my hair. I did the African threading method, of course. And I'm going to start by making a part at the back. So you can get somebody to part your hair for you if you cannot do it by yourself, so as to get your parts neat. So I'm just going to put the rest of my hair away and I'm going to start braiding from the back. So how big you want your bantu knot is directly proportional to how you're going to part your hair. For me, I wanted mine a little bit bigger, so that's why you see me. I'm just going to part the back into two sections. So I'm going to put one piece of hair away and grab the other one and start detangling. And while detangling your hair, you want to make sure you start from the roots or from the end, and work your way to the roots so as to avoid any breakage. And you want to make sure your hair is properly detangled. So how tight you want your bantu knot, this is the determining factor. And if you don't want your bantu knot to be too tight, don't braid your hair to be too tight, because you're still going to wrap it around, and if you do that, it's going to hurt so badly. Yes, that's why I just do this with a loose hand, because I'm still going to wrap it. So I'm done braiding and I'm going to start wrapping that around itself. Like, first of all, make like a small section and wrap down around itself. It's really not hard, guys. It's so easy, and you want to make sure it's not too tight, because if it gets too tight, it's going to give you a headache and it's going to make you really uncomfortable. So this is me just turning my hair from side to side to see how tight it is. And yeah, guys, I'm just going to move on to the next section. This is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm sure just by watching you're going to get the hang of it.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take.
Guys, I just want to quickly show you how I go to bed with Bantu knot. So I usually take this out and tie it in a bun or something like this. And when I am running late and I don't have time to wrap them back up, I just use a scarf like this to tie it up quickly.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So guys, this is the finished look. So if you do your Bantu knots following my method, this is exactly what you're going to get. And guys, I am not even going to lie, this is like 2 weeks later, and yeah, I realized I didn't film an outro, or is it an intro? Yeah guys, so this is the finished look with makeup. Yeah, nice. So if you did find the video helpful, or if you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the family. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.